How to book a flight on the Wakanow website. Log on to www.wakanow.com. Put in your flight information, departure and arrival city, your route details, flight dates, class of seats. Click on the search option. Different airlines and flight fares will be displayed. Pick your preferred airline and payment plan. Click on View to display the flight details. Click on Book to proceed with the reservation. Input your details as it is on the international passport. Input your email address and phone number. Acknowledge that you agree to the terms and conditions by ticking the Proceed box. Click on Continue. Choose your preferred add-ons like flight reminders, inbound or outbound COVID-19 tests, travel data, airport pickup and drop-off. Click on your preferred payment options, either card payment, online transfer, or pay at the bank. Check your email address for the booking, reference, and account details. Proceed to make payments and send proof of payments via email, chat, or call.
Wakanow. Let's go.